The headboard is equipped with a built-in charging station, including 2 AC outlets, a USB port and a Type-C port, allowing you to charge various electronic devices within easy reach. The 2-tier storage shelf on the headboard can provide more storage space, making it convenient for you to place commonly used items such as magazines, phones, alarm clocks, etc. This bed frame is equipped with an RGB LED light belt. You can use the equipped remote control or mobile app to set the LED color, brightness, mode, timing function, etc., to meet the needs of different styles and different scenes, making your home life more colorful. The LED function comes with detailed instructions, and you can follow the instructions to complete the corresponding settings. The 4 sliding drawers of this bed frame are designed to make this bed more practical. These drawers not only can store seasonal clothes and other belongings, but they also come with screw clips, which you can easily secure to the bottom of the bed to prevent the drawer from slipping out. In order to eliminate the squeak and ensure your sleep quality, we specially added a mute sponge bar to the middle beam to avoid the friction between the metal components. When you are sleeping or active in this bed, you are no longer disturbed by noise. The bed frame adopts an all-metal support system, which is sturdy. We have replaced ordinary wooden slats with 11 metal rods, greatly improving load-bearing capacity. 9 metal bed legs increase the stability of the bed frame at the same time, so it can easily support up to 800 pounds. This structure is designed to give you a great sense of security and a restful sleep.